How to change address in Grab Merchant. By changing address, I'm assuming that you would like to update or change your store's address, right, where your business is located. Now for that, you can open up the Grab Merchant app itself, or you can go to Grab Merchant portal from the website. And first you have to make sure to log into your Grab Merchant account. So tap on the login button that you can find there. Enter your username, your password, or you can also log in by using your phone number by tapping on login with phone. Now after you do that, just find the section where you can manage your store profile. This may be under account or my stores button. There you have to edit the store details, so locate the section where you can edit your store's addresses and make the necessary changes. Save the updated address and any other relevant information, and double check the changes and ensure they are accurate before submitting them. This way you should be able to change the address in Grab Merchant. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.